guys, today's video will probably be a short one. Got a buddy coming over. He's coming to drop off my my Nissan OBD, the proprietary one. Damn, I couldn't even say that right. That's only proprietary to Nissans, and he's bringing his Skyline over. So we're gonna do a quick photo shoot with it and stuff, and then you know, just say what's up. See, you know, hang out for, you know, a short bit, not too long, probably like 20-30 minutes. But you know, leave in the comments down below what Skyline you think he's bringing. And, you know, hopefully you guys are right. You guys will see him in a second. But I'm going to get my camera gear ready. And then we'll get some cool photos. We'll just do them here in the neighborhood. We're not going to go anywhere crazy or anything just because it's a quick trip over. But it should be fun. I should be able to get some clean shots of his Skyline. So I'm pretty excited for that. We'll see how it goes. If you guys get a look at kind of what I got going on. I don't have anything crazy for, you know, camera gear or anything. I mean, I have some decent stuff, but at least I shoot my photos on an A7 II, a Sony A7 II. I shoot everything on Sony. And then the main lens I rock for most of my car photography is the 24-70 G Master 2 f2.8. This thing's an amazing lens. I really do love it. The sharpness on this lens is insane. I got a good deal on it. I didn't buy it retail. I bought it secondhand. But that's what we're going to be rocking for today to take these photos. And they should come out pretty crisp and clean. I'm going to have to switch over to a CPL filter just so I don't get a bunch of glare off of his paint. But that's easy peasy, so swap over to that. Cool. Put our lens hood back on. We're ready to shoot. All right, you guys, he's going to be here in a couple minutes, so I'm just going to take a look around the neighborhood for some decent spots to just shoot his car real quick. There's some nice trees lined up along these streets and some open spots. I might be able to get some cool photos. And then there's also a radio tower near here that I might be able to just have him pull up the driveway of, and that might end up being pretty cool. So hopefully those shots end up pretty sick, but we'll see when he gets here. But yeah, so I think we're going to do it probably right here. This looks like a nice open spot in the neighborhood, and then there's the driveway right there for that goes up to the radio tower area. Might be able to pull his car up right there and just get some really cool photos. Excited for that. And you know, I don't know, I just love photography. It's really fun. It's cool. Videography, I don't, if you can tell from my videos, I can shoot in high quality, but editing and all that stuff, I'm not exactly a videographer, not yet at least. It'll take time, it'll take practice, but you know, I'm gonna enjoy the journey, and hopefully some of you decide to join me on the journey. So, you know, this is a perfect moment to, you know, let you guys know to hit that subscribe button down below if you're enjoying some of the content so far. And, you know, expect more, definitely at least more photography style content in the future. But then, you know, me also going to meets and stuff with my Skyline and my son and the family. You know, sometimes I might go to other stuff, but, you know, I've got an event lined up in March that I'm going to go shoot. It's like a drag strip event. That one will be cool. Looking forward to that. But, you know, just future plans. So, you know, I'm trying to get into, like, I'm trying to branch out and reach out to places that, you know, give me an opportunity to do some media work and stuff like that. So that way I have, like, you know, maybe get, you know, a little bit cooler opportunities to shoot either cooler cars or, you know, some just really cool people. And then, you know, give you guys some content that you guys can enjoy and stick around for. So that's, you know, a little sight in the future plans of what I'm trying to work on right now. But we'll all have fun. Well, you know, even if I don't get some of those opportunities, I'm not going to be upset. It's just, I enjoy going out and photographing cars. It's really enjoyable, and you know, a hobby that's, you know, really caught my eye and really caught my attention. And there's so much to do and so much to learn that, you know, so far, you know, I haven't gotten sick and tired of it. But yeah, speak of the devil and he shall appear. If y'all guessed R34, that's what the boy's showing up in. Shit's looking sick, looking clean, my dudes. Ooh. Let's get down there. Ooh, yeah. And a very nice purple, too. I don't think it's a midnight purple, but it's a clean purple. I do like the purple. It's sick. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Yeah. Ooh. It is a sedan. Don't hate, you know, but 34s are sick nonetheless. Pretty quiet exhaust. I like it though. The paint is clean, dude. I'm gonna get some sick photos today with this thing. What's up, my dude?
What is up?
Nothing much, just chilling. This is my boy Devin right here. You know,
Hey, what's up, guys?
he was having some car trouble, so he had to borrow my shit. But you know, it's obviously running now.
Came in clutch.
Hell yeah, dude. There's his IG right there, Devin Ward, if you guys want to check him out, because obviously you guys can see this purple 34 sedan is sick. Let's check out the front real quick. Ooh, look at that shift knob, dude. Is that Naruto?
Yeah,
Ooh.
some bam shifts.
Hell yeah, that's sick, dude. Look at that. Look at that beautiful front end. You can never be mad at an R34 front end. No matter what trim level it is. This thing's sick. Hell yeah, dude. All right, let the people know, bro. Why the 34 and why the sedan?
The 34 was because, obviously, of the Fast and Furious franchise.
Of course.
And then also the sedan was because I was stationed in Japan and I wanted to bring something back with me. So I was like, all right, let me get a R34. But the dealership didn't have any ready or in auction. The only one in auction was a 34 sedan. So I was like, you know what? That's what I'll go with. And next time I'll go back to Japan and I'm getting me a 34 GTR.
Oh, this man said a GTR, bro. He got money like that. Okay.
So
Was the paint? Was the paint like this, or did you get it like this, or did you paint it?
I got it wrapped by my homie at Top Treadco. The original color is black, but then when I bought it, it was like a midnight type of purple thing, like type of
Okay.
color.
Yeah,
Not as, I guess, vibrant as this. It looked more bluish and black.
I got you.
And so I asked my homie if he could just wrap it, make it more purple for me. And
Well, the purple's sick, dude. I love the purple. It looks clean as hell, dude. The car looks clean as hell. And dude, I'm excited to see your GTR when you get it, bro. You better hit me up for some photos for sure. All right, dude, we're gonna get everything set up so we can take some cool ass photos, and we'll be with you guys in a second. Damn, dude. All right, we're about to roll out down the street. This thing's clean. Interior too, dude. Oh man, that shift knob is sick.
yeah, custom. Like it's made from bamboo and everything.
Made from bamboo, dude.
Yeah.
What? That's sick, dude. That's so sick. He's got the Momo steering wheel. This thing's clean, you guys. Clean as fuck. We're gonna roll. We're gonna flip a U-E, turn around, and go hit the spot. But let you guys roll with us.
Do some
Car
pulls.
navigation by Panasonic.
Don't go too crazy, dude. There's some assholes on the street.
No, yeah.
Was that your toll system?
Nah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was.
That one is. What was the first one?
It was
Oh, your radio, the Panasonic radio. That was cool. Oh, nice, dude.
yeah. I definitely want to upgrade it some more so you could hear like the actual like turbo spiel up.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, get that nice turbine spool.
Yeah, because you just hear the intake really take over.
I got you. Yeah, that's the same thing with mine. Mine does the same thing, but you get that nice.
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Yeah. You just I have the mushroom style one. You can just flip a bitch and we can head back. But I have the mushroom style like filter, the HKS style one. You can just flip a UE right here. Yeah. But yeah, it makes all those fun sounds, dude. Do you have the stock intake on it still, or do you just have like a normal pod filter, or what?
I have the aftermarket, the mushroom.
Oh, you have the mushroom one too?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. We'll take a look at it in a second, but it's like, yeah, I really get on mine, so everything goes.
Yeah, I definitely want to replace it though because I heard it's bad for the engine. Like after a while, the foam.
You can pull over right here. Yeah, the phone, if it gets in there, yeah, but like if your map screen would catch any of that and all that other stuff, or you at least have to replace them every so often.
Right here.
But yeah, right here is good. We'll adjust the car as we need.
Sounds good.
Damn. There's his Panasonic radio, dude. That was the one that was making all the sounds before the toll system.
I literally can't. I'm trying to change it to have it be like in English.
In
Can't.
English?
Yeah, I can't.
Yeah,
I
dude.
need to
It's
upgrade it. Or update
mine's also in Japanese, but I refuse to take it out because I don't know if that'll affect the toll system at all. So I'm like,
it.
fuck it, I'm gonna leave it in. I was like, I don't need the English that bad, dude. I love those sounds. They're just like nostalgic of Japan.
Yeah, no, yeah. Sometimes like I want it because like there's like a like some random like lady just says something in Japanese like randomly. I'm like I have no clue what you're saying. I don't know if I'm messing up my car or not. You know what I mean?
They're like too much boost in Japanese, and you're like, no such thing. To hell with it. Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's get some sick photos though.
Sweet.
If you want, pull your car like halfway into the sun real quick. Yeah. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay. Sick. Yeah, this thing looks sick. Get a clean headlight shot. Get a clean headlight shot. Get my shadow on it. Beautiful. Damn, dude, this thing's just so sick. I own an R34 and they're always all so sick. What kind of wheels are these, dude? MKs? Yokohama? Oh, that's a tire brand. I meant your rims.
Oh, the rims.
Oh, they are NKs. Set up for our next shot. Gonna get the radio tower in the background. Get this thing. Probably gonna have to fucking be on the ground. Oh. Whatever it takes to get the shot, you guys. Radio tower's too tall. Oh, shit. Get my fat ass up. Moving the car one more time just to get a few more shots. He's a lot higher than I thought, dude. We're gonna get him to line up right here on this street right here. You're good. Guy rolling out, working on a Saturday. That sucks. Going right there. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. God, I love it, dude. I own a 34 and I think they're gorgeous. And he's on the NKs, you guys. These things are so clean, they're sick. And he was showing me a photo. Apparently his the brake calipers, they're purple. And at night, when you hit them with light, they're like the reflective stuff, you know, and like high vis vest. It's like the high vis reflection. So the brake calipers like just pop at night. It's super sick. This thing's so clean though. Beautiful car. Photography gets you a lot of places, surprisingly. And you know, I'm not the greatest at it. I'm not super amazing at it, but I'm half decent, I would say, at least. But you know, a lot of people, you know, even like he's just a community friend, dude. So it's like, you know, he was just borrowing something from me, and I figured, hey, why not just give him a little photo shoot? Because one, I love shooting cars, and two, you know, give him a little taste of the action when you got some sick photos of your car. But yeah, we're gonna continue to shoot. All right, you guys, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of some of the photos real quick. Let's just go into the. See if it even show up, dude. I doubt it'll show up. Let's see. Let's take the CPO off. There we go. Probably looking gangster. Car looking gangster. Shoot!
You play some throwback songs in there, like
Hell yeah.
Notorious Biggie, Tupac, some like NWA.
I'll let you choose the song for the post, dude.
Oh, okay.
For the Instagram post, but on YouTube, obviously, I'm not gonna put no copyrighted music.
No, yeah, it's fine.
But yeah, no. Let me put this back on. Screw on. Cool. Let's put that on max because it's bright as hell outside. wife and the kid are coming to say hi. I'm gonna show Devin some of his photos real quick, but some first impressions. See what
Ooh, those are nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like that. The color is nice, especially from the sun.
Yeah, this is all raw too. Once I actually edit the photos, it'll
Oh,
and
yeah,
color
those
grade
are
them.
nice.
It'll look a lot better. There's your cheesy smile. But I think some of these end up good. I'm hoping to have at least 10 to 20 good photos. We'll see how they come out in the edits. But
Oh yeah, the sun hit. Yeah, that's nice. And the shift knob.
the shift knob, dude, the way everything else in the background kind of gets blacked out, and then you just have that Naruto shift knob. That thing's sick. You looking dope? Your little ninjas, dude. Hell yeah.
Yeah, those are nice. They're clean, dude.
Hell yeah,
They're
dude.
clean. I
All right,
appreciate
big
it so
dog.
much.
Devin's out, dude. It was fun getting to shoot his car. Well, we'll tape him rolling out real quick. The wife and kid also came by to say hi. Oh, he was fussing with mom all morning, dude. In a butt. But he came by. He wanted to see another skyline, dude. He was all like, he was fussing because he wanted to see the skyline. He's like, Mom, why aren't you showing me the other skyline? Dad's got one, but I want to see the purple one. I want to see the purple one. So he's upset. He's upset. Justifiably. But we'll let Devin get out of here, and then he'll roll out, and then see you guys on the next one. All right, doggy. I'll see you later.
I appreciate it so much.
Yeah, bro. Of course. We'll catch you on the flip side.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. And Baby Lando says, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because if you don't, he'll get upset.